In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix if Wi-Fi is not showing on your Windows. So let's get started. First is we need to click on the start button, and then once we click on the start button, we can find settings. So we just need to click on settings. And here in the list of options on the left pane, we just have to simply click on system. And here we need to scroll down and look for troubleshoot and click on that. Then here we can find other troubleshooters, so we just need to click on that. Then here we can find network and internet with the run button corresponding to it. So we need to run the network and internet troubleshooter. Now what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to follow what it suggests and what it recommends. Next method, make a right click at the start button. Then here you have to select device manager in the list of options. Now here you need to locate your network adapters, and in case you cannot find your network adapter from here, then you have to click on your username and click on action and click on scan for hardware changes. Or you can also click on view and then click on show hidden devices. Then here you need to look for your connection, okay, or for your network adapter. So this is mine. Then you just need to make a right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you just need to simply choose one by one for the available network drivers as to what will work for you, and then you have to click on next. And Windows will successfully update your drivers. Then you just need to close all these windows. And after that, you just need to make a restart. So make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart to Windows. And you will see that you will be reconnected into your connection, and the Wi-Fi icon will be back right here on your Windows. For the next method is we need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type ncpa.cpl. Click on it under the best match control panel item. Now here in the network connections window, you need to locate your Wi-Fi, and then you just need to make a right click, select disable, and then wait for some time. Make a right click, select enable. By enabling it again, you will see that you will be reconnected into your connection. Okay? And now this is identifying. And now we are connected. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.